Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video I'll be showing you my newest method of writing on my cake, and it's a beautiful method that allows you to handle your nozzle very easy and makes your lines straight. You can see I'm working with butter icing here, yet my lines are not straight. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. If I drop a new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. Any day I drop new video, you will get an alert. I want you to cool down and watch me writing with butter icing. Seriously, it was not easy. It looks so difficult writing with butter icing. Before I show you my newest method, the method that I noticed that is very easy to work with. It makes my line straight. It makes everything so easy for me. So I believe by the end of this video, it will also be helpful to you. So cool down and watch me write with butter icing before I show you the newest method. Seriously, writing with butter icing is a no for me. But if that's the only option you have, my dear, you can manage it that way. But seriously, I can't. I don't like it. You can see how my work is looking so dairy. Nothing is looking good. Everything is looking somehow. No line is straight. Now it's time to show you my newest method. Royal icing method. Royal icing is the easiest icing for cake that you can easily prepare. Very easy to work with. Watch me write with my royal icing. So beautiful, pretty nice, line straight, everything beautiful. So I think you need to try this. Just watch the video how I write with my royal icing. To me, royal icing is the best when writing on your cake. So feel free to try out this. You will enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.